Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math, Grade 3, Quarter 4, Lesson 2, Day 2. Our topic for today is about division facts for the multiplication table of 9. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to identify division facts related to the multiplication table of 9. Explain the relationship between multiplication and division using 9. Solve simple division problems involving 9 accurately. Write the correct answer. 1. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 2. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 3. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 4. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. 5. 64 divided by 8 equals 8. Today, we will learn how division facts are connected to the multiplication table of 9. Let us recall our multiplication facts of 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90. If I group these counters into groups of 9, how many groups will have? 9 times 5 equals 45. If 9 times 5 equals 45, then we can make division facts from it. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. And 45 divided by 5 equals 9. Division is the opposite of multiplication. From 9 times 4 equals 36, we get 36 divided by 9 equals 4. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. From 9 times 8 equals 72, we get 72 divided by 9 equals 8. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Division facts come from multiplication facts. When dividing by 8, we find how many groups of 9 are in a number. If 9 times 2 equals 18, what is 18 divided by 9? Answer, 2. If 9 times 3 equals 27, what is 27 divided by 9? Answer, 3. If 9 times 6 equals 54, what is 54 divided by 9? Answer, 6. If 9 times 8 equals 72, what is 72 divided by 9? Answer, 8. If 9 times 10 equals 90, what is 90 divided by 9? Answer, 10. Complete the division facts. 1. 9 times 2 equals 18, then 18 divided by 9 equals 2. 2. 9 times 4 equals 36, then 36 divided by 9 equals 4. 3. 9 times 7 equals 63, then 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 4. 9 times 8 equals 72. 72 divided by 9 equals 8. 5. 9 times 9 equals 81. Then 81 divided by 9 equals 9. 1. There are 72 marbles. If each bag has 9 marbles, how many bags are there? Answer, there are 8 bags. 2. A vendor has 45 apples. If each basket holds 9 apples, how many baskets are there? Answer, there are 5 baskets. 3. There are 63 balls. If each box contains 9 balls, how many boxes are there? Answer, there are 7 boxes. How do we identify division facts for the multiplication table of 9? Answer, we use multiplication facts of 9 to find division facts. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Directions. Choose the correct answer. 1. What is 36 divided by 9? Answer, B. 4. 2. What is 45 divided by 9? Answer, B. 5. 3. What is 63 divided by 9? Answer, B. 7. 4. What is 72 divided by 9? Answer, C. 8. 5. What is 81 divided by 9? Answer, D. 9. Directions. Complete the division facts. 1. 9 times 2 equals 18. Then, 18 divided by 9 equals 2. 2. 9 times 3 equals 27. Then, 27 divided by 9 equals 3. 3. 9 times 4 equals 36. Then, 36 divided by 9 equals 4. 4. 9 times 6 equals 54. Then, 54 divided by 9 equals 6. 5. 9 times 10 equals 90. Then, 90 divided by 9 equals 9.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe Para sa higit pang educational content, i-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!